manual application procedure.
Right.
Can you believe it, guys? I'll be very honest. We are life planners and we are agents, and the days of us using manual application procedure is long gone.
That's right.
Everything is done online.
That's
and
right.
everything is done online with the client on the spot.
That's right.
Right? So there is no such thing as insurance agents coming with a stack of paper, how it was 20, 30 years ago. When I bought my insurance, I signed a number of forms, empty forms. Nowadays, it's no longer the case. When I sign on my clients,
Right.
I actually show them, hey, I'm declaring this. Is this correct?
That's right.
I double check with the client.
That's right.
And the client is involved in the process.
That's
Am
right.
I right?
That's right. I mean, Joe, correct. You see, when we apply, at least for any new applicants, right? Even if you go to the bank, you go to the bank or you go to an insurance company over the counter or wherever, it's even certain transactions that you need to be done. Everything is done online.
Correct.
They get you to sign on the iPad.
Correct.
So similarly to any insurance advisors right now, out there, at least in Malaysia, I mean even in Singapore too, that everything is done on your iPad.
There you go.
Now, the reason why they do that is, of course, effective.
Yes. Efficiency.
Efficiency,
Yeah.
safety,
Correct.
whatnot,
Correct.
So last time, Joe, you see, most advisors will ask you to sign on blank forms.
Yes.
So that's where the danger is, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
they will actually get you to sign all the blank forms, and what happens? You do not know what is filled after that.
Correct. And,
Right.
and the forms are undated.
Undated. So it's 100% based on the trust that you have,
There
right?
you go.
Now, for most cases, okay, everything is hunky-dory, right? But when a scammer sees this, they look it as, wow, this is my chance, right?
That's right.
So, they propose another plan, but eventually they send you another plan, right? Why they do that? Because maybe, it's more profitable, right? Maybe it's more in link to how they want to scam you, right? And maybe the commission is even higher. So
That's right.
there are many reasons why a scammer wants to scam, right?
Mm.
So having all these forms undated, right, or blank signs, right, give them opportunities for them to do whatever they want,
That's right.
right?
That's
So
right.
if you find yourself in this situation, please insist for a digital application.
Yes.
Right?
It's your right.
Exactly.
It's your right.
And everything can be done on the spot through
Right.
secure links,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
If it's not face-to-face,
Mm.
it can even be as a non-face-to-face, but through secure links,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
That is only accessible to you,
Mm.
and everything is signed, dated, checked on the spot.
That's right. Guys, make sure that when the agent asks you to pay, it is through the company's account.
Oh, that's so important.
That's
It's
right.
so important.
And it's not done through the agent's account.
That's
We
right.
have seen far too many, Evan, I'm pretty
Right.
sure you can testify to this,
Right.
far too many where the clients trust the bogus agent and transfer the money to the agent, and after that the agent disappears.
Exactly. So this is actually under the advisor etiquette code.
Correct.
Never to receive money to their own personal account.
Correct.
So if your agent is doing this, right, that means they are breaching that code of conduct,
That's right.
and that means that your agent doesn't follow rules.
Correct.
So that's also the telltale sign, right?
Correct, correct.
That what's to come.
Yeah, the common excuse is, oh, it's all right. I don't want to cause inconvenience to you.
Yeah.
It's easier to just transfer to me. Oh, my foot.
Yeah.
Please
No.
make sure that you transfer directly to the insurance company.
Yes.
That's your right. That is your right, guys.
Today is super convenient, Joe. Super convenient. So
Right.
there's no reason. You don't have to go to the bank and fill up forms or
Yeah.
whatever. It's
Yeah.
all a few clicks
You
away.
can do it in your smartphone, guys.
Exactly.
So easy now.
Exactly.
And the steps are pretty much user friendly. Don't worry, you can even preset it for
Right.
future payments.
Right.
So don't worry, right?
And insist for original receipt.
That's right. It has to come from the company and not from the agency. It's different, huh?
Right.
So take this point into consideration. There is no policy. You will be waiting until the cows come home. There is no policy.
Right. Now, Joe, just to be fair, in the past, all policies was issued as hard copy.
Right.
Right? So there's going to be a bit of delay.
Right.
Now, but that was the way of the past.
Right.
Now, the latest case was about a month ago,
Yeah,
a few months
yeah,
ago, right?
yeah.
So we are in the e-policy era,
Correct.
which means that now everything is digitally printed, right, and emailed to you.
Right.
right?
Right.
So there's no such thing as a delay,
Mm.
right? So once payment is done, right,
Mm.
you should be receiving your e-policy within 1 week,
That's right.
latest,
That's
right?
right.
Now, usually for most companies, it's within days, right? So
Yes.
if you are promised a heavenly product, heavenly product, a product that is only for you, high returns,
Right.
only can find in heaven kind of product, right? By right, it should be given to you also equally fast.
That's right.
The proof of payment or the proof of receipt has to be
Correct.
equally fast, right?
Correct.
So because you're paying good money, yes.
Mm.
So please insist that you have an e-policy,
Right.
and that can be easily done through the insurance portal,
Correct.
right?
Correct. Every insurance company has their own portals for you to sign in. Now, just to share with you, when your policy is activated, or we call it in force,
Right.
the insurance company will immediately send you an email with a link for you to click and for you to do a registration, a quick 2-3 steps registration. And then voila, you are in the portal and you can see the policy
Right.
details. Now, when you actually do the registration, please make sure you check in the registration link in the iPad that it is your phone number and your email address is added into the registration.
And that is super important, folks, because a lot of scammers, they alter that.
Correct.
So all correspondence go to their email or their phone number.
Correct.
So keeping you blindsided.
That's right.
That is one of the ways how they can keep you in the dark and continue to scam,
That's right.
right?
That's
So
right.
it's very important. And last but not least, folks, please, when you download the email and you download your e-policy, please make sure the details are correct.
That's right.
Right? Make sure all those claims or all those contractual obligations by the insurer are stated in black and white.
Correct.
Right? If you can't find those things, those information inside, most likely you are scammed.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Now, guys, this scamming thing is not new and it's
Right.
not going to end. There is going to be the same thing happening and again and again.
Because it's profit to be made.
Exactly.
Right.
It's quick, rich scheme. Now, for all of you, you have this 4 red flags for you to have as a point of reference, and you can always fall back and check. Now, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please even DM us in our social media. If you're afraid and you are not do not know about certain things about your policy, you can always DM us at G Lifesavers.
That's right.
Now, with that, we want to leave this topic as that, and we want to wish all of you have a great week. This is Joe Raj.
And I'm Aaron G.
Have a great week, guys. Take care. See you and God bless. Bye.
Bye.